Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:18 scale Mercedes-Benz 300SL Roadster W198 II from Norev. Let's take the car out now. They have also provided the door opener tool along with the car. There's the roof and the glove at the back. There's a screwdriver as well. Let's unscrew the car now. So here's the car, which looks really nice. The headlights are really well detailed, and you can also see the indicators painted in amber at the top. The grille and the front bumper look really nice. The Mercedes logo on top of the grille is a metal sticker, and it also looks really nice. The wheel is really well detailed, and the Mercedes logo on it is again a metal sticker. It also rolls freely. The vent on the fender and the chrome stripes also look really nice. There's the bullet style wing mirror, which looks really elegant, and it also reflects really well. The rear wheels also roll freely. There's the fuel door, and the tail lamps are also really well detailed. The Mercedes and the 300SL logo on the boot lid are again metal stickers, and the latch is also really well detailed. The bumper and the exhaust tip also look really nice. There's the antenna and the air intake near the windshield, and the wipers look really nice. Now here's the part which you have to attach when the roof is down. There are two holes on the body to attach this, and it slides down smoothly. There's also the hard top, which looks really nice. There's a 300SL logo at the bottom, which is a decal. The roof looks really upscale. The roof locks in place on top of the windshield with the clicking sound. But when the front part is locked in place, you can see that there is a small gap at the back which cannot be locked in place. I hope that Norev addresses this fitment issue in their future models. But the roof looks really nice on the car. But since this is a Roadster, I'm going to review it with the roof down. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed. You can see all the gauges on the instrument cluster. The steering wheel and the gear knob are also really well detailed and suits the car well. You can see the IRVM from here, and there's the 300SL logo on the dash. The sun visors also look really nice. The seats are also really well detailed. The door card is again really well detailed, and you can see the crank for the window and the door handle on it. There's flocked carpeting on the floor, and it looks really nice. The steering wheel is also steerable. There's flocking behind the seats as well. And this is the passenger side of the car. The door card has the same level of detailing as on the driver's side. You can see the flocked carpet more clearly from here. The engine bay is really well detailed, and some of the parts are also painted in silver. Here's how the lower part of the bonnet looks like. The boot also has a flocked carpet and it looks really nice. You can see the latch on the boot lid as well. Here's the undercarriage and it is really well detailed. You can see the steering mechanism in action. The car also has working suspension on all four wheels. And here's how it looks like from below. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.